Welcome to our channel. If you need to get your real ID and want to know what documents you actually need to bring, follow these step-by-step instructions for a smooth process. Step 1. Understand that Real ID is a federal security standard for state-issued driver's licenses and ID cards, required for domestic air travel and entering federal facilities starting May 7, 2025. Step 2. Check if your current license is already Real ID compliant by looking for a star in the upper right corner. If it has a star, you don't need to upgrade. Step 3. Visit your state's DMV website to find specific requirements and determine if you can make an appointment. Some states require appointments while others accept walk-ins. Step 4. Gather proof of identity with an original or certified copy of your birth certificate, valid U.S. passport, or certificate of naturalization. Photocopies are not accepted. Step 5. Bring proof of Social Security number, such as your Social Security card, W-2 form, or pay stub with your full SSN. Make sure your name on the SSN document matches your identity documents. Step 6. Provide 2 proofs of residency showing your current address. Acceptable documents include utility bills, bank statements, mortgage documents, or rental agreements dated within the last 60 to 90 days. Step 7. If your current name differs from the name on your identity documents, bring legal documentation of the change, such as a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order. Step 8. Visit the DMV with all documents, complete the application, pay the required fee which varies by state, and have your photo taken. Your Real ID will be mailed to the address on your proofs of residency. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.